Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, the greatest channel in the land. And we're about to go on a road trip. We're about to get on the road. It's early. It is, our clock isn't right, so hold on. I gotta adjust for an hour and it's at the end of the hour, so I gotta say the next hour, so hold on. It's 5:54, so really it's 6:50. It's 7 o'clock. We're planning to be out the door by 7, but somebody's running a little late. You probably know who I'm talking about. Yeah, all right, so yeah, we're about to get on the road. So it's Saturday and we're not coming back till Monday. So that means my watermelon aren't gonna have any water from me in 2-3 days. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to give them a little bit more fertilizer, a little bit more of this little special mix, do a little special trick. They haven't died yet, I'm surprised. Well, I'm glad they haven't died yet. So yeah, I'm about to give them their nutrients for the weekend, and hopefully that's enough to hold them off till Monday until I can get back and water them. So this may be the last time I see them alive. When I come back, they might have bottom rot because the soil has dried up. It is, however, it is supposed to rain all weekend, every day this weekend, so hopefully that's enough to carry them through the weekend. Gonna add a tablespoon. All right, so here it is, the special mix with the special ingredients. Hopefully that's gonna last my watermelon through the weekend. All right, so we are off to see my garden. Well, first thing, this just happened yesterday. Look at the back, remember behind our house there was a big forest? They're taking down the forest. They're chopping down trees. Oh no, my garden. We got a heavy rain yesterday, so let me check and see how everything is going before I put my nutrients down. It's still looking pretty bad, looking sad. Worse than last time. But my guys are still, you know, those are the only thing that's green in this garden right now. Uh-oh, I have a new form of life. Okay, he's starting to sprout up. Everything else is looking dead, but he looks pretty strong. That looks like a pretty strong leaf. So maybe all of these vines are about to re-sprout. Let me check on my melons. Let's see. Okay, he no bottom rot or nothing. He just has a little dent, but that might be from sitting on the ground. This one, is that bottom rot? All right, no, that's just mud. Okay, this one, he looks pretty small and soft. I don't think he's gonna make it. He looks pretty firm. But yeah, no bottom rot. And this has been for a couple days. So I'm guessing when I put down that fertilizer wrong last time, it didn't do too much damage besides my leaves. Maybe the nitrogen was coming off of the soil because I just sprinkled it on the ground, and maybe the nitrogen affected the vine somehow. But somehow the roots may not have been affected. All right, so let me go ahead and pour down my nutrients. I'm getting it right here where the roots are. Drink up, little fellas. It's gonna be your last meal until Monday. Daddy gotta go out of town. Papa was a rolling stone, and I get around. Drink up, drink up, drink up. This gotta last, y'all. Still got a whole bunch more water left. Let me get over here, make sure the entire ground is soaked up. Well, actually, the ground is soaked up because we had a heavy rain last night. But yeah, this little thing is growing. Got new forms of life. Here's something from the forest. They vegetated somebody's home. Somebody came home and their tree wasn't there. Alright, so another thing, I'm not sure if I told you in the last video, but I'm starting to have ants in my garden. I'm not sure if a sign of ants is a good thing or what, but all I know is ants come around to eat dead stuff. And my plants look kind of dead, so I'm wondering if that's why I'm starting to get ants, because my stuff is dying. So that's the end of this video. I'm already sweating. It's hot in Georgia, 7 o'clock, and I'm already sweating. Only been out here for what, 4 minutes, 5 minutes? And yeah, I'm gonna go around through the garage because I don't want to track this wet dew from the grass inside the house. Alright, so that's going to wrap up this video, and I will see you guys next time. I will see you guys Monday when I get back, when I go check on my garden. Hopefully they're still alive. We'll both be in for a surprise. Bye, guys.